Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download ParkMobile app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the search bar type in ParkMobile app. Now once it loads, simply tap on the app, and then once you are here, what you need to do is simply tap on the get button, and then once you do that, follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. Now for the Android, what you need to do is head over and open up your Play Store, and then once you're there, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and then type in ParkMobile and press search. Look for the app named ParkMobile, find parking with the green P logo, tap install to get the download and install the app. Once installed the app, what you need to do is simply tap on open, and then you'll be able to use the app. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.